You've probably been working on everything to make sure that your videos get the views that they deserve. You've been working on your titles, your thumbnails, and video description to make sure that you optimize your video. But there is something that you've been missing out. And what if I tell you that this is what's holding your views back? These are certain keywords that you should add and signal YouTube who to recommend your videos to. Now, I'm not talking about keywords that you add on your titles or video descriptions. I'm talking about keywords that you add in a certain hidden feature on YouTube that will help you increase your views and discoverability. Now, before we proceed, make sure that you like this video and subscribe, because in this channel we give you YouTube growth strategies that will help you optimize your YouTube channel to its full potential. So let's dive straight into it. Now, which type of keywords am I talking about? I'm talking about channel keywords. These keywords are like the GPS to your channel that helps the YouTube algorithm guide viewers to your content. Now, why does it matter? This is where YouTube suggests your videos to people and find you through browse features. It signals the algorithm about your content so that it can direct it to the right people. So how do you find this setting? You go click on your Chrome browser, then type YouTube dashboard. This basically going to your YouTube studio on the dashboard version. Click on it. There it is. Then you see this your YouTube dashboard, channel dashboard. So go down to the settings. You see down here. Then click on the settings icon right there. Then you click on channel. You see? After clicking on channel, you go to the basic information. Let me try to zoom it in so that I can cover everything. So you see this is where you add your keywords. This is the channel tab where you add the keywords. You see my keywords right here. So for example, which type of keywords should you add? This depends on your niche, your audience, and the video topics that you usually cover in your YouTube channel. Now, for example, my niche is YouTube growth. As you can see, my niche keywords are YouTube growth, content strategy, and the rest. YouTube tips, you can see them. Now, my audience keywords are small YouTubers, you can see, beginner YouTubers, small creators, etc. And the video keywords, the video topic keywords, these are the topics that we usually cover in our niche. So to make my videos get ranked or discovered on YouTube, I will have to put the video topic keywords. So for example, we usually cover in this niche, we usually cover about YouTube SEO, boost views, and channel optimization. You see, I've included them in my keywords. So you see how we add the keywords. After adding, you save there. So this is how you find out if it's basically working. Let me take a random video, one of my videos from my YouTube studio. Let me view all my videos. Now let me randomly take this video. Okay, let me click to look at the analytics of the video. Then you click on reach to see how people found this video. So as you can see, the traffic sources of this video through the channel pages are 38%, 39.8%, browse features 23.3%, YouTube search 10.5%, and suggested videos 10.5%, and others 15.8%. Now, this is what I want to show you. If you want to know that keywords in the YouTube channel usually work, you check at the YouTube search and suggested videos. As you can see, in my YouTube analytics, I have 10.5 and 10.5 for both suggested videos and YouTube search, which is quite good. This means that YouTube is pushing out my videos to the right viewers because I've included these useful keywords. Simple, right? These are YouTube settings that can be a game changer to your YouTube channel. Now, if you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. And make sure that you turn that notification bell on so that any other time that I drop out a video, you will be notified by YouTube. See you in my next video.